Grading just got a little easier. In this Tuesday tip, I'll show you how to use AI to speed up the process of giving personalized feedback in SpeedGrader. Let's get into it.
First, open SpeedGrader in your Canvas course and select a student's submission to review. Read through the response and take note of one strength and one area where they could improve. If it helps, you can copy a short section of the student's work to use as context when we head to Copilot.
Go ahead and open Copilot. As a reminder, you can access it through MyWings and Office 365. In the prompt box, type something like, "Write friendly, specific feedback for a freshman college student's short essay in a psychology course. The student did well explaining the key ideas, but needs to include more detailed examples. The feedback should be encouraging and constructive, as if coming from an instructor." Wait a few seconds for the response to generate. Read over the feedback to make sure it feels like something you'd actually say. If it needs a little tweaking, you can always ask Copilot to make it shorter, more encouraging, or more specific. Once it sounds right, copy the final version.
Head back to SpeedGrader and paste the feedback into the comment box. Feel free to personalize it even more by adding an emoji or a quick note of encouragement. Click Submit to save your comment.
It's a great way to keep feedback meaningful without burning out. Use it as a starting point and make it your own.